Welcome everyone. To fix your iPhone not receiving calls, let's start by opening up the settings. And inside of the settings, I want you to scroll down until you see focus or do not disturb. If you see any of these focuses are on or do not disturb is on, there's a good chance this is going to block your phone calls. So tap into the option you see and make sure that you either turn this one off, or under allow notifications you will see people, and allow calls from. Tap on this one and make sure you set this to everybody, and that should solve the problem. But if it does not, head back to your home page of settings, and if you're someone who uses airplane mode here, you will need airplane mode off in order to receive your phone calls. If we're still having problems, let's scroll all the way down, and on the phone, let me insert my SIM card. So let's go into the phone settings here. And if you have this one, the call forwarding, let's tap on this one. And if the call forwarding is on, you will need to turn this one off. If this is stuck on a spinning wheel, you have to go out. You probably have to wait 10 minutes, go back in, and I'm going to cut to when I have access to this. The last thing you can do is head over to the homepage of settings, and then you go into locate, general, and then you're going to scroll down until you see transfer or reset, or this will just say reset, and you're going to select reset, and then reset network settings. This will reconfigure your SIM card network. It will also reset your Wi-Fi passwords, your Bluetooth connections, so you will need to re-enter those ones in. But once you reset the network settings, then you should be in business. And with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.